Last night, I challenged Paris to find me a newer Sprinter, extended, 170 extended, with low mileage, and she did it.
Novo culture, novo culture.
At night, we were pillow talking, and she said, I found a Sprinter. After teasing me with a F650 Overlander type vehicle, because she clearly said she didn't want one of those because they were too big. And she said, I also found a Sprinter. So we're at this dealership in Atlanta, and we found a 2012 Freightliner Sprinter, 170 extended with 45,000 miles on it. It's got a generator, an air conditioner, 2 air conditioners, a Webasto heater. It's a Cummins generator though. So I mean, we went to the bank, picked up the cashier's check, and we're here to pick it up. So what we want to do is just take you guys around it. So it's got a Cummins generator. This window that could definitely be repurposed. Maybe we can put it on the outside.
Yeah, I thought about that window. It was cool.
It's got scene lights all the way around. It's got a sink in there. I don't know if it has a water tank. It probably does. This looks like a water tank right here. It's 3,500. So it's got dualies, and these look relatively new Bridgestone Duraviz.
Wow. And you fine with not being able to stand up all the way?
It's got front AC, aka the front AC up there. C micro, I don't know what that means. Rear AC, D micro, I don't know what that is. A coffee, charger, counter, and water. So there might be a 12-volt water pump in here. It says Shore, so it does have Shore power. So I mean, it comes with some value. It comes with some value. Looks like there's a water tank there. Pretty large water tank. If it is, then I definitely want to keep it. As you see, there's 120 up there, 120 up there. This wall we probably take down. And here is up front. It's got power windows.
Yeah.
Power mirrors. It's pretty clean in here. Standard radio. Lock unlock. It comes with the key fob. Probably want to get a second one. And the thing that differs about this one is that it opens all the doors when I press the lock button, which is great. Let me start it, and you guys could be the judge on how good it sounds. Come out here with me. So it purrs like a kitten, but it sounds good. I took it around on the freeway, drove it around, and it felt really good. It is, look at how long it is. Enough with the games. Let's take this check in there.